Okay, this is more Henderson snow. It's about, what, like 11:15 right now?
1 hour since our last update.
And it's just, if I can like zoom in on that stump right there, you can just sort of see how much snow it is. Probably looks like garbage across the screen. Okay,
Wilson's venturing out into the snow. He didn't like it.
No, he doesn't like it. Okay, let's see if I can determine exactly how deep the snow is. That is my ruler. And I've stuck it in backwards, so I'm going to take it out, stick it back in the other way. And right now we're at 4 inches. Right at 4 inches. So, that's pretty interesting. My car is pretty deep in there.
Oh good, he's going to the bathroom.
Yes, good puppy for all the world. So, you can definitely see against that tree there how thick the snow is. How thick it's just coming out. So there we are.